Now shifting focus, the Sabrimala gold theft scandal in Kerala has escalated into a full-blown political battle with allegations flying between the left, Congress and the BJP. Several kilograms of stolen gold, senior temple officials under arrest and the involvement of key figures like jeweler Govardhan have set the stage for a high-stakes war of words. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has directly accused Congress MP Sonia Gandhi while the BJP demands a CBI probe into a larger conspiracy. Here's a report.
The gold theft controversy at Kerala Sabrimala temple has now exploded into a full-blown political war. Several kilograms of gold missing, senior officials arrested, and now direct allegations flying between the left, Congress and BJP. A special investigation team has told the court that Pankaj Bhandari of Smart Creations and Bellary-based jeweler Govardhan played a key role in a conspiracy to steal gold from temple artifacts. Two former presidents of the Travancore Devastham Board have already been arrested. Now Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has launched a direct attack on Congress MP Sonia Gandhi, alleging links between her and the two main accused, Unikrishnan Potti and jeweler Govardhan, citing photographs. The BJP has seized the moment, demanding a CBI probe and alleging a wider conspiracy spanning both the Congress-led UDF and CPM-led LDF.
A corruption that is targeting Devastham boards and temples that go back a long time, and it is necessary for an investigation by a central investigative agency, and the Kerala police is not going to be able to do this impartially and completely. It is extremely clear that this is not limited to 4.5 kilos of gold from Sabrimala. This is a wider, broader conspiracy that dates to several decades ago, and it is required to be investigated.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Vijayan also slammed RSS-linked groups over alleged threats to Christmas celebrations in schools, warning that religious intimidation will not be tolerated. The Sabrimala gold theft has become more than a criminal probe. It is now a political flashpoint shaking Kerala's power corridors. Bureau Report, India Today.